Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with essentials. Make sure your iPhone is running iOS 14. 5 or later and that Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and location are enabled. Sign into your Apple ID and confirm Find My and two-factor authentication are active. This secures the link between device and tag. Once done, remove the AirTag's plastic tab to power it on. Bring the AirTag close to your iPhone. The system will detect it automatically. So stay patient and keep the phone unlocked and on the home screen. When the AirTag appears on your iPhone with a pop-up, tap Connect to begin pairing. You'll be prompted to choose a preset name like Keys or Backpack, or select Custom to type a specific name. Naming helps you identify items in Find My. After naming, confirm the Apple ID account that will own the AirTag. This binds it to your identity and enables secure tracking. Make sure your iPhone stays nearby during this process to avoid interruptions, and allow the tag to finish setup. Once paired, open the Find My app and look in the Items tab to confirm the AirTag appears with its name and battery level. This verifies a successful setup. If you plan to recover lost items, enable Lost Mode and set a contact number or message so a finder can reach you. If the AirTag doesn't appear, try resetting it. Press down and twist the back to remove the battery, then reinsert and press the battery in place 5 times until you hear a chime. Retry pairing afterward.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.